Deep within the verdant realms of Whispering Woods, where sunlight danced through the branches like beams from 1,000 lanterns, lived a tiny fairy named Pixie. With wings that shimmered in the hues of dawn and hair spun from morning dew, Pixie was known far and wide for one particularly enchanting skill: baking magical treats. Every morning, as dew-kissed Flora awoke under the golden glow of the rising sun, Pixie would gather the finest ingredients from the forest. She'd pluck juicy berries dripping with morning nectar, collect fragrant vanilla pods from the tangled tendrils of the orchid vines, and forage for honey sparkled by goblin gold. But what truly set Pixie's creations apart was the sprinkle of her own fairy dust, infused with warmth, joy, and a touch of the extraordinary magic that only a fairy could wield. One day, as Pixie was preparing her famous rainbow cupcakes, where each bite tasted like a confetti of happiness, the forest began bustling with whispers of gloom. The willow tree elders lamented the withering gloom, and even the chirpy bluebirds had lost their song. Alarmed, Pixie whisked through the canopy with the grace of a swaying petal, and headed straight to her kitchen in a grove hollow. There, she concocted her plan, a grand banquet of cheer, filled with her finest pastries. With a whirl of sugar and sequins, Pixie worked tirelessly, whipping up cloud cream puffs stuffed with sunshine yolk, moonlit macarons with twinkling stars, and solstice scones kissed with the blush of dawn. As the melody of 1,000 sweet smells wafted through Whispering Woods, the creatures began to gather. Curious deer, wise old owls, fidgety squirrels, and the mischievous raccoons were drawn towards the aroma spreading happiness through the forest. Laying the last cupcake on the ivy-woven table, Pixie invited her friends to feast. With each bite, smiles sprouted like spring buds on every face, the bluebirds found their song, and the willow trees swayed joyfully to the forest's breath. Pixie beamed as she watched her woodland friends cheer up. She understood that while her treats were delightfully delicious, it was the kindness they embodied that was the sweetest magic of all.